The Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam and the ants. The Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam was a just and wise king who ruled Jerusalem. He was the youngest son of Prophet Dawood alayhi salam. Like his father, he was a king and was also Allah's messenger. He was a humble man and a firm believer in Allah's power. Allah gave him the great gift and power which he used for the welfare of human beings by spreading Allah's message far and wide. He was always thankful to Allah for his guidance and gift. The knowledge given to him by Allah, including the ability to understand the language of animals, birds, and insects. The birds were even part of his army. He was given control of the wind and the ships sailed across the sea in safety. The jinn obeyed him and he would put them to different tasks. But never did he cross the limit set by Allah. He ruled wisely and justly. Wisdom was proverbial and his fame spread far and wide in the world. One day the Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam, who was marching with his army of jinn, man, animals and birds, entered a valley inhabited by ants. Seeing the great force approaching them, one of the ants, frightened by the crowd of man and beast, so near the place they lived, said, "O ants, get into your dwellings, or Suleiman and his warriors might unknowingly march over you and crush you into the ground." The Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam could hear them and thanked Allah for this knowledge. He realized that Allah wanted him to be aware of the need of even his lowest subjects, so that no injustice was done to them even unknowingly. The ever thankful Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam praised and thanked Allah. "O Allah, make me grateful to you for your favors which you have given me and my parents, and inspire me to do what is right to please you. And by your grace admit me among your righteous servants." He was very grateful to Allah for giving him the opportunity to care for others and perform a good deed and earn his pleasure. Allah is most pleased with none of his creatures are ignored. To the surprise of the ant, the great army moved away without harming even a single ant. The ants were very grateful to Allah and thanked him for taking care of them. Allah takes care of each and every creature of his and even responds to the prayers of the tiniest of his creatures.
There is no God but Allah, riding on the crest of a wave in the sea. A dolphin squeaks and he whistles to me, says La ilaha illallah.